Terrain Response 2 system automatically selects the best driving modes to suit the terrain. This, combined with the legendary Land Rover all-wheel drive system, ensures the Discovery Sport provides outstanding off-road capability, whatever the terrain. And with a class-leading wading depth of 600 millimeters and onboard real-time depth information, nowhere is off-limits for the Discovery Sport. The clever off-road geometry ensures that poised, confident progress can be made, even in the most difficult terrain. Where your view is inhibited, the 360-degree surround camera uses clear sight ground view technology to ensure optimum visibility. This innovative system effectively lets you see through the bonnet, helping guide you safely through obstacles beneath the car. Hill descent control enables you to maintain a steady speed when negotiating challenging slopes, optimizing driver control. The Discovery Sport is fully equipped with a variety of on-road technology. The active driveline offers true torque vectoring, transferring torque between the rear wheels when cornering. This, combined with torque vectoring by braking, which monitors steering inputs, and dynamic stability control, ensures optimum grip, traction, and composure at all times. The intelligent suspension architecture, combined with the adaptive dynamic system, constantly monitors and adjusts to the road conditions, ensuring the perfect balance between comfort and control at all times. The Discovery Sport has up to 6 pre-configured driving modes to suit the terrain and your driving preferences. Dynamic mode delivers a more responsive, sportier drive. And with configurable dynamics, you have the ability to customize the driving character, such as throttle mapping, gear shift points, suspension, and steering. The Sport Shift Selector allows you to connect directly with the exhilarating driving experience, enhancing the sport feel even further. There is a vast choice of advanced all-wheel drive, lightweight and efficient engines, which come with the responsive 9-speed automatic transmission. Complementing several of these engines is MHEV, or mild hybrid technology. The system harvests energy from deceleration and redeploys it to assist the powertrain upon acceleration, making the vehicle cleaner and more fuel efficient.
Be ready in every way. Be ready for any day. Be ready for every rain. Be ready for any terrain. Be ready for every trail. Be ready and prevail. Be ready and stay together. Be ready for every weather. New Discovery Sport. Weather, any weather.